This event is going to be hosted by IV Kulture. I'm so excited to tell you guys that we are doing a virtual nail salon. It's going to be this Saturday and it is open to everybody, but spaces are definitely limited. It's a 90s theme. This is how you guys can register. Don't forget to sign up, you guys. It is going to be so much fun. There's going to be giveaways. There's going to be a tutorial by me using these polishes I'm featuring in today's videos. So don't miss it, you guys. Sign up now. All right, you guys, this is everything that was sent to me and I'm so freaking excited. Words can't explain how humbled and grateful I am to be a part of this. So I hope that you guys can join us this Saturday, because it's going to be epic, it's going to be fun, and it's going to be a really good treat. So I'm glad to partner with them and share this with you all. I have been looking for a brand of nail polish that is just like regular nail polish base, and I honestly wanted to know which one was better, like if China Glaze was better, if Sally Hansen was better, if OPI was better. And these ladies reached out to me and I'm like, holy crap, I couldn't be more grateful. And I do have a discount code for you guys. So if you guys order from them, you will receive a card and it has all their social media information. And just look how gorgeous these girls are. Like, I can't. And then they also send you something. So it shows you everything that is not in these polishes, everything that's in them, and the benefits of them. Because look at this. Look how all of this stuff is not in them. Look at all the benefits and look at why. I can't. Like, I couldn't be more in love with their company. And this is like behind the brand right here. If you guys want to pause the video and read that, I would very much encourage you to read that. I think that their mission statement and what they stand for and what these ladies stand for is perfect. And that's what everybody wants. Healthy nails that thrive, right? And you guys can get 10% off, as you can see here. And I will have that up on the screen as well too for this video. But I love all the benefits of their polishes. Like, I can't. That's one reason why I really wanted to work with them. Like, I went on their website before I answered them and I'm like, yes, absolutely. So isn't this card so pretty? I just love everything that they do. I'm sorry if I'm over the top. When I find a brand or I find a company that I really love and I know how much they love their company and love taking care of people and like the health of their nails and all of that stuff, I can't get enough of it. So what we're going to do today, we're going to do a short little video because I really wanted to show you guys these polishes here. And I'm going to swatch all of these polishes. Hold on, we can leave them like this. And we're going to see, well, I already know how they work, but being a gel nail tech, you know how easy gel can be. Sometimes you don't really have to wait for it to dry. You can just put it on your nails, cure it in the light, and go. But for the ladies out there that just want to stick to the basics and they just want nail polish that's non-toxin, that's vegan, cruelty-free, this is the brand for all of us. So I don't really like wearing gel polish on my toes unless it's Cleopatra. And I really do much prefer to wear regular nail polish on my toes and stuff. So I think that this brand has really beautiful colors. The website's nice, it's easy to navigate, and it's just such a breeze. Like, everything has been so easy and so effortless with this brand and with this company. So yeah, we're going to dig right into it. I think I rambled enough and I can't express my gratitude and my humbleness for it and everything. Like, I'm just so through the roof, you guys. Like, I'm so excited to be able to come to you guys with this because I feel like it's something that I really do stand for here on my channel, which is healthy nails and trying to give you guys the best products out there, right? So yeah, so without further ado, we're going to get right into these polishes, and I'm going to let you guys know all of the names of them too, because these polishes have names on them. So we're going to get right into that. This is the bottle. I really love their bottles. I love the size of it. It comes with 17 milliliters in it, and Look at it. This is called Shade of Jade. I didn't even realize that the names were on the back, but I love that even more. And yeah, and they're based in South Florida, which is why they have the Florida state on there. And I just thought that was a really cute little touch. And I really love like the bottle. I love the cap. I would love their company. And that's one of the reasons why I wanted to work with them in the first place, because either way, I promise you, I still would have bought their nail polish because I just love what it stands for. So yeah, that's their bottles. I love it. I love the glass. I love how sleek it is. I love the black tops. And the black top is like a soft touch. Like it's really, it feels kind of velvety. And I like that too. That's really nice. Oh my gosh, this is going to look so good on my walls. Like, look, you guys, look. Oh my God. So we're going to swatch these. And like I said, I know I'm the gel polish junkie, like that's what I do. But we're going to get right into just swatching these polishes. I'm going to swatch one coat on camera and one coat off of camera. And then I will come back to you guys and you guys will see the final results with 2 coats. So I'm going to do 2 coats for all 4 colors and you guys will see that here. So let's get right into it. So you guys, these polishes went on like a dream. I had a couple of issues with Social Butterfly being streaky the first coat that I put it on, but after shaking the bottle, I noticed that it went on perfectly fine like the rest of them. So I would suggest, if you guys buy them, to shake the bottle before you use the polish. I mean, I feel like that's 101, but I forgot. But they definitely went on nice, went on creamy, and I did not notice any time before they dried. So by the time I was done with the fourth one, the first one that I did was already dry. So I really like that they are super fast drying. So make sure you guys sign up for this event so you can see me use these polishes in action. It's going to be this Saturday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment area. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell to all so you guys don't miss another upload from me. And also don't forget to register. You guys are not going to want to miss this event, so definitely sign up. Seats are definitely limited, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.